Hi everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 14 ways to make money on YouTube without showing your face. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Are you looking for ideas to start a YouTube channel without showing your face? You have come to the right place. But before that, are there any YouTubers who do not show their face on videos but still make a decent income? There are tons of YouTubers making a lot of money without being on camera. In fact, many people do not even make their own videos and instead use other people's royalty-free videos to earn money. I have covered a list of ideas for a faceless YouTube channel and their earnings in the upcoming points. But before that, let me quickly share my experience. I never liked being on camera, but I was excited to start my YouTube channel and make an extra income from it. After doing some research, I came up with a list of channel ideas and found that it is easy to create anonymous YouTube videos. Just a screen recording software and a simple video editor are more than enough to start your YouTube channel. In addition to that, there are several advantages of making YouTube videos without showing your face. You need not purchase expensive cameras and lighting equipment. You need not arrange a backdrop in your room for videos. You can just get up from the bed and start making videos without worrying about your looks. You need not fear that your friends and family members might see you on videos and make fun of your YouTube channel. I was in the same situation and would like to provide ideas to people who plan to make money on YouTube but never want others to see them. Always do niche research before starting a YouTube channel. You can do that manually or using a Chrome extension like vidIQ. That will make sure there is good earning potential in that niche. Also, I recommend using TubeBuddy to split test your thumbnails and keyword research. List of best YouTube channel ideas without showing your face in 2022. 1. Life hack videos. These types of videos are the ultimate killer, and most of them go viral on YouTube. You probably came across the YouTube channel 5 Minutes Crafts, which has over 155 million views per month. The videos they make are simple life tasks using the things around the home with a bright background. I have never seen them in any of the videos, but I love to watch those videos one after another. It's all about how you keep your audience engaged, and 5 Minutes Craft is a proof that you can earn money on YouTube without filming yourself at all. All you need to do is watch a few life hack videos to get some inspiration and start your own YouTube channel. To film the video, you need a bright sheet to put on a table, an inexpensive tripod to fix your mobile phone, and a user-friendly online video editing software. So, DIY-style YouTube video is something you can try if you do not wish to show your face on camera. 2. Create whiteboard videos. Whiteboard videos are another great way to start a new YouTube channel without showing your face. Whiteboard videos can be very engaging for your audience, but making them will be a challenge. However, if you use some whiteboard video creation software, you should not have a problem. There are a few software, but I have experience using Doodly that helps to create some cool whiteboard videos without any technical skills. I use the software to create ads, but you can use it to make YouTube videos. Watch the video here to witness the beauty with your own eyes. 3. Numerology videos. Numerology is a fantastic anonymous channel idea, even if you do not believe in numerology studies. One of the best channels in this niche is Numerology Secrets, created by Jay. Jay outsourced 90% of the video creation part on Fiverr, and now he makes passive income through those videos. He has monetized his YouTube channel with AdSense, and he also promotes affiliate products through his videos. You can search up his channel name on YouTube to get some ideas on what type of visuals he is using in the affiliate product he uses to promote. I recommend you to join ClickBank and promote a product in the numerology niche to make more money. 4. Cartoon-style videos. Creating cartoon-style or animation videos are in the trend. Similar to whiteboard videos, these type of videos also tend to keep your audience engaged and increase the watch time, a very important factor to rank on YouTube. The idea with these type of channel is to break the short attention span of people and keep them watching your videos for a much longer duration. Just to be clear, I am not saying that only cartoon-style videos are engaging, but that's an easy way to have a good audience retention rate. However, the downside is most people do not know to create cartoon videos, and that barrier makes only a very few people who can create cartoon-style explainer videos explode on YouTube. Luckily, as I always do a lot of research on the video creation subject, I have found software that can help us easily create cartoon videos. It's an affordable software. You can check the pricing here. Feel free to navigate the site and find more information about the product before making any decision. 5. Gaming channel. Do you love playing online games like Fortnite, PUBG, etc.? Why not make money by doing what you love? When it comes to YouTube ads, you can't make money like a fitness or e-business channel. However, you can make some decent money since the gaming niche gets a lot of traffic, and it is perfect for beginners. The best part about the gaming channel, besides not being on camera, is you do not need to talk on your videos. Log in to your Twitch account and record your live stream and upload it to YouTube. What should you do? Take out the best clips from Twitch account and add a nice intro and thumbnail and upload it to your YouTube channel. If you do not know to record your screen, you can just search on YouTube for how to record my game and live stream on Twitch. You will get plenty of results, and for this method, you do not need to show your face on the camera. Just use some screen recording software to record your computer screen and start playing like how you would typically do. 6. Tell stories. Scary story videos are huge on YouTube, and there is a group of audiences who love to watch these kinds of videos. Many people would not believe that these kinds of channels make good money on YouTube, and they can completely go on stealth mode. You can check out a channel called Mr. Nightmare, who simply reads stories and has 5 million subscribers, and gets around 10 million plus views every month. These kinds of videos are easy to make, and you can do this by simply recording your voice with your phone and add some royalty-free stock footage to those videos. 7. Product reviews. Product reviews are called buyer intent keywords, and these types of videos are perfect for beginners with a vast potential of converting viewers into buyers. Review videos get less traffic, but you can make a lot of money with these kinds of videos. With a viewer looking for reviews on a product is just one step behind purchasing. So when you recommend a product, you will get a commission. In digital products, you can earn a 50% to 70% commission. While with physical products in Amazon, you can earn up to 5% commission on all sales made on the website for 24 hours after clicking your link. Now, which one should you choose, physical or digital? Both physical and digital products have their advantages and disadvantages. So it doesn't matter which one you choose, just pick the one that you are comfortable with. Let's see how you can review physical and digital products without needing to stand in front of the camera. For digital products, it is simple. You need to walk through the product images and sales page and finally use a video editor to put your clips together. Many YouTubers use this software to create review videos in less than 60 seconds. I know it's hard to believe, but that is the truth. In the case of physical products, you need a mobile phone and the product in your hand. If you think where to find products, start reviewing the products that you have at home, or take help from your friends and family to source products to review. In my friends group, there are a couple of guys who love buying the latest gadgets, and I believe in every group, there will be someone. Just borrow their new iPhone for a few hours, make a review video, and return it to them. Once you start getting subscribers, then you can approach smaller brands to send you a sample product for review, and 90% of them will agree as they are getting good exposure. Do you know the best part? Most of the vendors will allow you to keep the sample product. You can either use it yourself or flip it for profit and extra income. Some people are making a full-time income by reviewing products on YouTube. So start implementing this idea to bank a lot of money on YouTube. 8. Make tutorial videos. Do you know to play chess or know a few stuff on Excel or anything that you use on day-to-day life on your computer? Then you are set. Open your screen recording software and walk through some Google Slides like explaining what you to a friend. These videos are effortless and easy to create and don't require any technical skills, and you do at home. And you can monetize the channel through crowdfunding or by selling your course and referring affiliate products relevant to your audience. 9. Travel vlogs. Vlogs is a two-in-one YouTube channel, and you would have come across many travel freaks making short YouTube videos about their travel experience. Grab a GoPro camera and start filming videos. People love to watch real videos of the place when it comes to travel and adventure. So, here you cannot record your screen, but you can just capture the beautiful views using the camera and speak out your experience. If anyone in your family is comfortable being on camera, you can involve them while recording the sceneries. Or else, feel free to post vlog without showing your face. 10. Informational videos. Another viral type of anonymous video that you can make is, do you know videos? In this case, you are going to follow the same strategy, but you are going to automate everything using simple software. Starting from slide images to voiceover, everything can be done with just a few clicks of a button using Movavi Editor. But make sure to use your own voice, else you may not be approved to monetize your channel. Though there are other alternatives to monetize your channel, it's better if you can have AdSense enabled on your videos. Because vidIQ claims that a monetization-enabled video is also one of the ranking factors. 11. Cat videos. I was making an outstanding amount of money with my drop shipping cat jewelry from 2017 until it got saturated. I had my store, and the primary traffic source is from YouTube and Instagram. There were lots of cats channels and pages with millions of views pouring in every single day. All I did was to reach out to the channel owner to promote my product for a couple of $100, and I made 5x the money. It's not until they all figured out what's happening when more and more people started to copy the same formula. Now the people who are drop shipping make less, whereas the smart cat channel makes a good amount of money by selling various affiliate products. In the cat or dog niche, you can sell from food to all possible stuff that humans use. So if you have a naughty pet, you should definitely create a YouTube channel for your pet. 12. Meditation videos. There are plenty of channels on YouTube that simply upload meditation videos where somebody is doing a voiceover for meditation. One of the best channels on YouTube is Michael Seeley. This guy never shows his face on his videos but has 1 million plus subscribers and hundreds and thousands of views on his videos per month. There are many courses on Learn to Meditate for Beginners that you can promote and make some commission in addition to YouTube ads revenue. 13. Compilation videos. Maybe you don't want to be on camera but good at video editing, then this method is for you. The best part about compilations is they can be hugely successful, as you will need to compile videos on popular topics like topics around celebrities. The challenging side of it is copyright issues. When you compile a bunch of videos that are on YouTube, then you have to be very careful and make sure at least those are under the Creative Commons category. 14. Woodworking videos. Woodworking channels are also viral on YouTube that gets a ton of views and subscribers. Because there are lots of how-to woodworking digital products available for you to promote. So, a woodworking channel is also a good option to consider. Those are the list of YouTube channel ideas without showing your face. Thanks for watching.